Argentina are in the World Cup final. And my goodness, they did it the hard way. England led with 5 minutes to go. And then Argentina scored twice at the death to rip the game away. It is heartbreak for the Three Lions, and the champions live on. And now we have our final. Let's break it down. Let's go. Here's how it unfolded in Atlanta. For an hour, this was tight, tense, and cagey. Exactly what you'd expect from a semifinal. Then England struck. In the 55th minute, Morgan Rogers broke away and cut the ball back, and Anthony Gordon tapped it in. 1-0 England, and suddenly the Three Lions were 35 minutes away from a World Cup final. But you can never write off Argentina. In the 85th minute, Enzo Fernández picked the ball up miles out. We're talking 30 yards, and absolutely leathered it into the net. 1-1, game back on. And then, in the second minute of stoppage time, came the dagger. A cross came in, Lautaro Martínez rose and powered a header home from 5 yards. 2-1 Argentina, 90+2. England were seconds away from extra time. Instead, they were going home. Brutal, real quick, before we set the bracket. If watching this makes you want to build your own faceless sports channel, the tool I use to speed all this up is Video Express AI. You give it an idea, and it helps turn it into a finished video, the kind of thing that used to take me days. It's the honest truth of how I keep up with the whole World Cup. If you're curious, there's a link down in the description. All right, back to the football. So here it is, the final. Argentina versus Spain at New York, New Jersey Stadium on Sunday. The reigning world champions against the European champions. Lionel Messi, one win away from back-to-back World Cups against a Spain side that just made France look ordinary. Now, let me be straight with you, because this is my honest take. I love Argentina. I think Messi is one of the greatest to ever do it, and the players around him, Enzo, Lautaro, Mac Allister, that team is special, and they have earned every single bit of this. But come Sunday, I'm pulling for Spain. Nothing against Argentina at all. I just want to see Spain lift that trophy. That's my pick. Tell me yours down below. And that's it. The field of 48 is down to 2. One game left, Argentina against Spain Sunday for the World Cup. Whatever happens, we have had an unbelievable tournament, and I'll be right here to break down the final. So subscribe, ring that bell, and let me know. Who are you taking? Argentina or Spain? Until the next whistle, one game left. See you soon.